Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and I want to give you a few tips today on keeping your knife sharp and safe, because a sharp knife is a lot safer to use than a dull knife. And one of the best ways to keep your knife sharp is to use the Dexter 12-inch Sani-Safe diamond sharpener. Let me give you a few tips. So this is a must-have for maintaining and sharpening your knives. It can be used as a steel when running your knife across it, slight amount of pressure, or to create a new edge, use more pressure. Another feature I like about this steel or sharpener is that it has an oval design instead of the round carbon steel design. I believe this puts a way better edge on your knife. Let me show you a couple ways on how to sharpen your knife using the diamond sharpener. One way is you're going to hold it out in front of your body at a 45-degree angle, and you take the heel of your blade and place it at the very tip of the sharpener. And then you're going to apply a little bit of pressure and bring your knife all the way down so the tip comes across just like that. And you're going to do it the other side. 45-degree angle, and you want your knife to be about 20-degree angle off of the sharpener. You're going to do each side. You can usually do this 10 times per side or so. And like I said, if you want to really sharpen it, you're going to put a lot more pressure. And as you get good at it, speed comes with practice. Okay, like I mentioned, the Sani-Safe handle, which is easy to clean, it's got a great grip, and it also has the guards. So if you are drawing your knife down and you accidentally go too far, that's going to stop you from cutting your finger. Okay, another way to use this, some people aren't comfortable holding the steel like this and the knife out in front of them. If you want to set the steel like this onto a towel, you can always, same method, heel the tip and just draw your knife down, and that works just as well. And you should always wash and dry after every use using a damp cloth just to remove any metal fragments that come off your knife. All right, well, I hope you like this little demo on this awesome Dexter diamond sharpener. I've used Dexter products all through my career. They're great in the commercial kitchen and they're great in your home kitchen. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.